Good morning, children. As you all know, we have started our second term. So, kids, we must recap our last session. I hope you all remember the summary of lesson 5. Yes, Shivaji's education. So, I will go over same basic points that we did. First, beginning of Shivaji's education. Second, regeneration of Pune. Third, the achievement of Dadaji Kondev. Fourth, Shivaji's education. Now let's begin the lesson. Today I will do the reading of these points and explain you, so you all will remove your textbook and underline the words that I tell you. Shivaji's education. Beginning of Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit. In the Bangalore court, he had under his patronage artists and scholars of various languages. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Now please underline the words beginning, underline scholar, and underline artist. Soon Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad. Underline Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad on his own. To teach him warfare, Shahaji Raje had appointed some teachers. Underline warfare, underline appointed. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and danpatta. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Underline wrestling and acquainted. Now, I will explain you this part. When Shivaji's education began, Shahaji Raje was a great scholar. Scholar means Vidwan. And in the court of Bangalore, he had many scholars, artists. Artist means kalakar of various languages. Means alag-alag bhashaon ke scholars the. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education started when, children? Yes, when he was only 7 years old. And he became a skilled art of reading and writing. Means he was very clever and he started to pick up very soon. Skilled means mahir. And he began to read Ramayana, Mahabharata and Bhagavad on his own. यानी कि अपने मन से read करना. All this was under the supervision of some special teachers. Supervision means देखभाल. Who had appointed teachers? Shahaji Raje, his father. Now these teachers began to teach. What did they teach Shivaji? To ride a horse means how to go on a horse ride. Wrestle. Wrestling is a fight. How to use swords and different kinds of ammunitions during the war. All these who used to teach? The teachers. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted. Means he realized that how to learn different arts. Now, this next part. Soon Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expedition to conquer the states of the Nayakas. Underline expedition and Nayakas. Local chiefs in Karnataka. Before setting out upon the expedition, Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. With them he sent elephants, horses, and infantry, a treasury, a flag, as also trusted ministers, brave generals and renowned teachers. Underline infantry and renowned. So, Adil Shah sent whom on an expedition? Shahaji Raje. Expedition means एक तरह की यात्रा. To conquer what? The states of Nayakas. Nayakas are the local chiefs in a particular city. So there were some local Nayakas in Karnataka. Heads. Before setting out to this yatra expedition means Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to a safe place because they both would be secured. But with them he sent animals like elephants and horses, and infantry means the people who go walking, and treasury means lot of wealth, sometimes types of flags, and also trusted ministers to help them out, and renowned teachers. Renowned means जाने माने, पहचान वाले. So, understood this paragraph, children? Can we go further? Rejuvenation of Pune. Rejuvenation means repair. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri. He could see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again and he became very happy. Underline rejuvenation and lofty. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Properties were damaged, houses were demolished, temples had collapsed, the frightened people had fled from their villages, fields had become barren, thick forests had grown, wolves roamed in the countryside. Pune thus was totally in shambles and ruins. Now here underline demolished, collapsed, fled, barren, shambles and ruins. Now I will explain you this paragraph first. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. As soon as they came to Pune, who remembered his childhood days? Shivaji, because he used to stay there and he had spent his lovely time on Shivneri fort. So he saw the peaks. Lofty means ऊंची चोटी वाले पहाड़. And he became very happy. But as soon as they saw, Pune was not a big city that time. Shahaji Raje's enemies means dushman. They had devastated Shahaji Raje's properties. Everything was damaged. The houses were demolished. Demolished means broken. Temples had collapsed. Collapse means fallen down. And many people fled away. Fled means to run away. They went back to their villages because they were frightened that they would be killed. Fields had become barren. Barren means banjar. Now you can understand when everything was damaged, people ran away. Who used to roam there? Of course, the animals. The wolves roamed in the countryside. Thus people were very much scared and Pune was totally in shamble and ruins. Shamble and ruins means barbad hona. So let's go further. When the people lived around came to know that Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Underline, they took heart. Jijabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. Underline, reassured. Now, when the people came to know that Jijabai and Shivaji have returned back, they were very happy. उन लोग को क्या मिला? हिम्मत. They took heart means हिम्मत मिलना. When Jijabai called all of them and told them, reassured means bharosa dena, that you all don't worry and you all will be safe in Pune. Next, people started settling in Pune, cultivating their lands. Jijabai had the depleted temples repaired. In the temples, worship began morning and evening. The town was again throbbing with people. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. Now, underline dilapidated, throbbing, and transformed. Now, I will explain you. People started again settling in Pune. Why? Yes, because they heard that Pune, who has come in Pune, who has entered in Pune? Jijabai. And she will take care of us. Depleted means broken down. And throbbing means many people started staying. Again, they got the heart to live in. Now, temples were also worshipped because they started repairing it. All this work was done by Jijabai. And again, Pune was totally transformed. Transformed means changed. So, you can understand, children, with the help of Shivaji and Jijabai, how Pune was changed. Now, we shall continue with the next paragraph. The achievements of Dadaji Kondev. Yes, when Jijabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana also. Who was he? Subedar, the chief. He was very faithful. He was strict, efficient and honest in his work. He was also just and a strict disciplinarian. Underline efficient, disciplinarian. He served with devotion. At about this time, a big wada or residence was built in Pune by the orders of Shahaji Raje. It came to be known as Lal Mahal. Now first I will explain you this part. When Shivaji and Jijabai came, before that they were in Karnataka. So who took care of this Jagir? Dadaji Kondev. He was the Subedar of Kondana fort. Kondana is a fort. He looked after it. And he was very faithful person. He was strict also. And efficient means layak hona. किसी काम के लायक. And a disciplinarian means नियमों का पालन करना. He obeyed properly the rules. Now, he served this with devotion means वो मेहनत से करता था अपना काम. At about this time, a big wada was built. Wada or a small kind of house or residence. It was built by whose order? Shahaji Raje. Who is Shahaji Raje? Shivaji's father. He told that you have to make this mahal and it was called as Lal Mahal or residence. It was built to encourage the peasant to till their lands. Dadaji gave them concession in land tax for a few years. Underline peasant and concession. As I told you before, peasants are farmers. So now, to keep their land safe, the peasants were encouraged and gave concession. Concession means chhoot dena. For few years, he offered prizes for destroying the wolves which infested the countryside. Why did he give prizes? Because the people who killed the wolves harassed whom? The farmers. Because they came through the countryside. And Dadaji Kondev saw all this. So he told, whoever will kill the wolves, I will give prizes. Many wolves were killed. He raised peasant patrols to protect life and property from gangs of thieves which roamed the countryside. Now he kept certain people to keep a control over the gangs of thieves who came and robbed the properties. So all this work was done by Dadaji Kondev. He fixed land revenue according to the quality of the soil. Underline infested, underline patrols, underline revenue. Means he fixed land revenue means what type of soil it was. Either it was a high quality or a low quality. According to that, he kept some money so that the people will understand what quality it is. And there would be no injustice. He does made the people happy. Now, we shall go to the next part, Shivaji's education. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under the supervision of Jijabai. Underline supervision. While returning from Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied by eminent teachers sent by Shahaji Raje. They taught him many sciences. Branches of learning and languages. Shivaji acquired the knowledge of excellent administration, war tactics, fort architecture, selection of horses and elephants, ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories, and many other things. Shivaji's progress in education pleased Jijabai very much. Now I shall explain you this. When Shivaji returned to Pune, his education continued under whose supervision? Jijabai. Underline supervision. Supervision, as I said before, देखभाल करना. Now when returning from Bangalore, Jijabai and Shivaji were accompanied, means किसके साथ जा रहे थे? Some teachers. Accompanied means to go along. Some eminent teachers. Who sent these teachers? Of course, Shahaji Raje. And they taught him many sciences, अलग-अलग तरह के subjects and branches of learning and languages. Now he acquired many other knowledges. Knowledges of excellent administration. Excellent administration means a type of a business techniques to watch, to keep an eye that how the people work. All is this to be understood. War tactics. What is war tactics? How to fight in a war. That is also a type of a knowledge you have to take. Fort architecture means how to make proper map of any building or structure. Selection of horses and elephants means how to select horses which are good, which are capable during the wars. It is very useful. Ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories means how to save ourselves from enemies. कैसे बचना है लड़ाई में. And many other things. Shivaji's progress in education pleased Jijabai very much. Now, how to fight in a war and how to be safe from enemies. कैसे बच के भागना है. How to save ourselves. All this technique, all this knowledge he learned. And when Jijabai came to know that his child Shivaji is learning all this, she was very much happy. Now children, here we end up this chapter. You all must have underlined the hard words as I have shown you in the picture and also told you. So you all will write this hard words in your homework book and keep the book neat and tidy. I will also give you notes which you have to write in your new classwork book which you have made for second term. Properly the index should be written and the number, the date, everything properly should be done as you did in the first term. So we shall continue the next part in the next session. Thank you children.